What would you say you see in the world around you? You mentioned divisions and such like that. Could you speak a little bit more about the kinds of divisions that you've seen?
So there are like 4 divisions that I personally see. First is Surat, it means face. With face I want to talk about the color you have, the race. Murat is the statue you pray to, it's like the religion you have. Kaya is the external body, how beautiful do you look, how expensive clothes do you have, the external body. And last is Maya, the wealth and intelligence you have. So the world is divided into 4 these divisions, and what we call life is actually kiosk. People like you, people like Manzil Mystics, people like us, what we are not doing any rocket science. What we are doing is we are just telling people that there is a difference between kiosk and life. We are just spreading the message of life.
Woke up in the morning one day, thought I see the sun. Whole city was foggy, clearly the war had just begun. Spread love, spread love. Mama with 2 children by my feet out in the street, pulling at my ankle, begging me for food to eat. Spread love, spread love. Oh, I'm just trying to use this time, I'm just trying to do right. Trying to use this life to turn back on the lights. Too much hate and violence, people dying, wondering if I will make it home tonight. I'm just trying to honor God, I'm just trying to be free. Trying to spread love, sprinkle seeds across seas. Every day I pray for guidance, divisions rise, and love the only recipe to heal humanity. Oh, I'm just trying to spread love, I'm just trying to bring that truth. Spread love, spread love, spread love, spread love through everything I do. Oh, I'm just trying to spread love, I'm just trying to bring that truth. Spread love, spread love, spread love, spread love through everything I do.
प्यार करो, प्यार फैलाओ, आपस में प्यार बढ़ाओ, क्योंकि ऐसी कोई भी जंग नहीं जो प्यार से न जीती जाए.
Vision's bright, watch as love shines its light.
इस दुनिया में एक कमी वो है प्यार.
A broken world, let's unite to heal these scars.
एक दूसरे पे एतबार करो, आपस में ही रांझे वाला प्यार करो, प्यार करो.
I acknowledge the power of these relations with thee. Got me thinking and dreaming, oh in love we'll be free.
आजकल के लोग बड़े वाले शेषनाग है, दूसरे को जानते पीठ पीछे डालते समान है.
This is the key to love through everything that I do. Seeing people as people despite what they've been through.
अच्छा बनो, लोगों का भला करो, चलो प्यार के साथ let's paint the world
I'm just trying
beautiful.
to spread love, I'm just trying to bring that truth. Spread love, spread love, spread love, spread love through everything I do. Oh, I'm just trying to spread love, I'm just trying to bring that truth. Spread love, spread love, spread love, spread love through everything I do.
जब दिल में हो प्यार हमारे, क्यों ना बदलेंगे सारे. बस प्यार की भाषा से ही सपने सच होंगे हमारे. अब पाएंगे सारी मंजिलें, दूर होंगी सारी मुश्किलें. भेदभाव दिल से मिटेंगे जब प्यार के फूल
Oh, I'm just trying to spread love,
जब दिल में हो प्यार
I'm just trying to bring that truth. Spread love, spread love, spread love, spread love through everything I do. Oh, I'm just trying to spread love, I'm just trying to bring that truth. Spread love, spread love, spread love, spread love through everything I do.
If you can picture a better world than what we have now, what would that look like to you?
When people like you don't need to make songs of peace and unity and love, will forget the word better, and there'll be just one world.